Don't you guys absolutely love it when cancelled cars get uncancelled? Oh, I love it. Because when these obsessed collectors, I'm not an obsessed collector because I don't have a single cancelled car in my collection. I have, like, other cars, but when the obsessed collectors buy cancelled cars at ridiculous amounts of prices, and then a few years down the line, you can buy it for literally $4 or £6.99, I laugh because that's just a lot of money to spend on a car, and it's just waste of a money. And I would prefer to pay £6.99 or $4, however you like to see it, whichever country you're from, Malaysia, Brazil. Most of my subscribers are from Brazil for some reason. Hello, you Brazilian fans. Hello. Yeah, anyways, today we'll be taking a closer look at Lightning McQueen as the Easter Buggy in his Cars 2 Piston Cup paint job for some reason, but in his Cars 3 paint job. I don't know why, but yeah. So he was in the book Made to End the Easter Buggy, I believe, which is, well, I don't have the Easter Buggy, but this is one of two cars that I'll be opening from this case, Jackson Storm and Ducky Fauntleroy. I will not be opening for one particular reason. I generally do not have two of them. So yeah, sorry about that. Maybe I will get a second one in the future, but I'm not going to do that mistake where I do two videos just for, like, views, I guess, because that seems a little bit wrong from my hand, just to do one of it in the box and then another it open. But yeah, today I'll be taking a look at Easter Buggy Lightning McQueen. Real McQueen, como con Diecasts. I cannot speak any other languages. I'm very sorry. Mattel 3+, there's the ridge, because he's from Thailand. We can see that the regular release, well, this is a normal release. Look, this is the regular release you could get from China. And he has bunny ears. You're paying $4 for a piece of plastic. Literally, a piece of plastic. Anyways, that's just Mattel's way of saying, hey look, it's a new car, even though it's technically not. I don't understand. Anyways, there's this sick artwork. I love the artwork, it's so funny. New Novel 2021. Cars logo, metal, of course. On the back, of course, apparently he was seen in Cars, but he wasn't. So, why is he on the back of this packaging? Don't ask me, ask Mattel, of course. Easter Buggy, we'll be reviewing him maybe tomorrow, maybe Wednesday, depends on when I'm free, when my video scheduling is. Green Ramon, but that's class of Ramon. Manny Flywheel, Down Advert, and Ruby. Pretty cool. 2020 copywriting, because it's 2021. Arson, made in Thailand. So yeah, of course, without further ado, let's of course open this guy up. Times 2 speed me. That's generally one of the quickest times I've ever opened up a blister. Especially from 2021 when they're harder to open. Anyways, here is this amazing diecast out of the package. I would throw a picture up now of where it was seen in the book, but I don't actually own the book and I don't want to be like taking people's content, so apologies for that. But we're just going to get straight onto the review. And yes, so here is Lightning McQueen as Easter Buggy. So we can see 95 on his headlight, which is of course the Piston Cup Hudson Hornet one. And he's got the usual medicated Rusty's bumper ointment. We're in Formula logo on the top here. Bit blurry, but I can live with it. Plastic eyepiece for the eyes. Reminds me of the Cars 1 Lightning McQueen, because it pretty much is the Cars 1 Lightning McQueen. The logo seems to be different. Anyways, you can just about see the 95 on the top, and you can see the bunny ears, which are not removable. I could try removing it for you, but they're not removable. Do like this, it's a pretty cool release, not gonna lie. Window bars, Rusties on the back, usual stuff on the side, piston cup here, 95 zip bolt, leading toppy pistons revolting mood springs. Of course, the three sponsors on here, one of them is my favourite. He's got the light year rims, of course with yellow trim. Does this, yeah, the actual China one has it, so nice feature there. Fuel cap, no, it's actually centered. It's a centered fuel cap. Bum bum bum. Anyways, again, like yeah, Rusty's logo here on the back. Medicated bumper ointment, Rusty's. Again, 95 on the headlight. The base says made in Thailand, as all cars do. with the gibberish. And guys, where's the code? Like, here's a Thailand car. Where is it? Oh, it's here. It's here. Look. Wow, that's you can't even see it from like this angle where I was showing it to you. I was like, where the hell is it? But it's like right under the wheel. Made in week 45. Because on this one it's like here and you can clearly see it. And I was like confused. I was like, where the hell is my code? But yet made in week 45 in the A factory. Pretty cool. Compared him to his regular release without the bunny ears, you can see. Of course, mine is very dusty. Again, you can see the difference. Fuel cap. Pretty cool. Again, this is China Thailand. You can see with the iPlayer difference. Cars Diecast reviewer. You might be wondering, what is this Lightning McQueen in the background? Well, for you OG collectors, as you guys know, this McQueen was the first one to be released, so there is now 2 Piston Cup Lightning McQueens with this. You can see he's got the splattered around him, so this is the second Easter McQueen we've gotten. And I do like this one a lot. Just that this one is more blurrier because this is Thailand, this is China. Can't believe collectors paid like $100 for a cancelled car that is now like $4. Why? I get it would be released in China, but I don't know, you collectors are dumb. Anyways, guys, we do have some other ones of the Piston Cup Hudson Hornet Lightning McQueen. We got that one, we've got the metallic one, we got the one with no rims. So what we're going to do is leave this one out here, put this one here, you know, so you guys know that this is Easter. If you guys are new, please make sure you smash that like button, because every bit does help. Always leave a like, subscribe if you're new. Thank you for 2.2k, and of course, always to the next one. Peace, guys.